Hi guys, welcome to this short video about how to force a backup on Spinbackup. Spinbackup is a really good site to back up your online Google documents or whatever you have on the Google Drive. But the problem is a little bit, the documentation is super weak. They just write in the help, yeah, there are so many functions we could keep telling you for hours what it can, so we don't do that. We concentrate on just a few words and that's it, and they leave the users with many questions. So I'm trying to solve or at least give you some hints on some of these questions, and I'm planning to do a couple of videos about it. So one of the questions is, how can you force a backup? So maybe it's your first backup, or you have something added which is really important and you don't want to wait for the next backup in 24 hours, so you want to force that, and here is how you can do that. So here we are on the dashboard. There is not much about that. It's just recent activity and the how many items we have, and we can go here to auto backup and we can see if it's turned on or off for everything like mail, calendar, drive, and so on. What we can do here is the settings, change the settings, what we want to have backupped for every item, but there's nothing to force it. So we have to really go in one of these sections, let's say Google Drive, and we really have to click on backup. The problem with these icons here is that some are really not working. For example, download, I would like to have something available for download, so you can click on that and press download and it would download to your local hard disk drive. That's not possible, so sometimes it's a little bit difficult to find out what they really do. But backup is really backup. That means it will backup the files from your Google Drive to Spinbackup or to your Spinbackup copy. We click on that and it will open a new menu where you can select what you want to backup. The only thing which is not so clear is if you have to select something from here or not. So last time I didn't do anything. I just left it here with backup all backup shared items as well, or backup shared items, yeah, and I can also tell if you want to apply this for the automated backup. So whatever you choose, it will be then the same like 24 hours later on the automated backup. That's a little bit dangerous, so I would definitely uncheck this unless you're really sure you want to change something there. And if it's right for you, just click on start backup, and as you can see, it is starting with initializing the process, and you can stop it if you like, but if you don't stop it, it will run for long time. As you will see, usually it needs really long. If you have a lot of files like me, for me the backup runs about 1 hour, so I'm not want to wasting your time. I stop this here, but last time it really worked and it looks it will work, so probably as long as you don't select anything, it will back up everything. So if you select something, then it will probably only select the selected item. So that's it, what it happened. But if you want to be 100% sure, I recommend to select what you want to backup. So let's say my drive, uncheck this here and then start backup. So yeah, that's it for now. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.